Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, man, I was just thinking to myself, what could I make today? What kind of video could I make? And what came to mind was
You stupid.
what are the top 5 things I look for when buying a project car?
Finally!
Hey, that's a good one, ain't it, y'all?
Nope.
Hey, man, I wrote down a couple things that I could share with you guys. Hopefully it can help you guys that don't know too much about buying project cars, and for guys that do buy project cars, I might think of something that you might not think of. Fight. But the last one I'm gonna have you. All right, guys, this video ain't gonna be too long, but the first thing that we look for is rust.
Perfect.
Rust. First thing you want to look for is rust on any project car, especially a car that's been sitting. Mostly, oh shoot, rust. You want to look rust. When you're buying a project car, rust can make and break, or come on now, dog. Dang, make or break your project, man. Especially if you're on a budget, you want to make sure you don't have too much rust. One thing you can do is bring you a magnet. Bring it, put it on any panel, try to make sure it's not too much Bondo in certain spots, you know, because sometimes Bondo can be filling and hiding rust. But that's number one, looking for rust on your project. The next one on my list is this right here. It is a title, man. A title can make or break a bill too, especially if you're trying to resell it. A clean title is a good title, man. And a rebuilt title, sometimes you can get away with it, especially with what type of car it is. But most of the time I look for clean titles, and that's number 2 on my list.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
All right, number 3 on my list is, what is your plan for this project? Always have a plan when you're going into the project. I didn't have the best plan, and you see me, You're killing me, man! All right, guys, number 3 on the list is have a plan for the project. You know what I'm saying? If you already have a plan in mind of what you want to do to the project, that can help you out in the long run with the negotiation. If you want to drift truck, if you want to drift car, the less in the car, the better you're going to get on the price, the less that you have to take out. Hey, if you want a lower truck, this is already lowered just a little bit. The springs and the shackles in the back, that gave me a head start. That's less money that I have to spend. If you want a lifted truck, make sure it's already close to being lifted. Or unless you got deep pockets, you can do whatever you want to. But me personally, I want to get a good shell to start out with what type of project I'm going for. I just don't want to get a lifted truck and I want it lower. That doesn't make any sense. Make sure you get a clear plan of what the project you want before you buy your project car. All right, next on my list is something very important. Take a mental check, or even write it down, of exactly what's there and what's missing. Like if it's missing grills and headlights, a front bumper, a door handle.
You're a little nasty.
Is the interior complete or even put together? Does it have an engine? Does it have wheel and tires? Does it have a bed floor? But you guys get what I'm saying. A project can make and break you, man. Make sure you get a project that is pretty much all there. Unless you're doing something totally different, fabricating your own stuff, make sure that you have the most there. Even if it's old and beat up, sometimes you can restore it and make it look good. I don't know. Hopefully that helped you guys. And the last one on the list is the most important one. Is you guys.
Yo, what's up, man?
My subscribers and those that's watching the videos. What I want y'all guys to do is go down in the comment section, comment what y'all think that you should be looking for when you're buying a project vehicle. I can't even, man, a project vehicle. You know, I probably missed a lot, you know what I'm saying, or I might not know it. So I'm counting on you guys to go down to the comment section and let everybody know what you think you should be looking for when you're buying a project. The automotive community is a great community, man. When y'all put y'all minds together, we can get anything done. So what I want y'all to do is go down in the comment section and let me know what I missed on the top things to look for when you are looking for a project. Well, all right, guys, that's all we have for today. Well, all right, guys, that's all what we have for today. Man, we almost hit 2K, y'all. Let's see if we can hit 2,000 before my birthday, which is May 24th. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed and you don't have the notifications on, make sure you hit that little thing on the side, hit notification, hit all, so you get all the bangers that we be dropping on this channel, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, staying blessed. Hey, I love y'all. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Psych. All right, number 4 is the modability.
Bruh.
2015.
Research how many different companies mod. Oh my God. I don't even know if that's a word.
And beat me down.